Hi, my name is Zambia Clark and I live in Lakeland, Florida. The three assets that I bring to this class and the social work profession are compassion, helpfulness and team player, and dependability. Compassion is what has led me to pursue this career in social work because I love to help people overcome obstacles and barriers that sometimes they have no control over by providing prayer, giving advice, and helping them to locate the appropriate resources. I love working on teams to help get a project accomplished. I know that when people are dedicated to something, the better the outcome of the project. Dependability. I'm dependable. If I say that I'm going to do something or be somewhere, then you can count on that. I'm well known in my community and church for being a dependable volunteer. I look forward to working with you all this semester. Thank you very much.